In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Fortinet from your computer. Whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, these steps will guide you through the process to ensure you can remove the program smoothly and efficiently. First things first, before you begin the uninstallation process, make sure to close all Fortinet applications that might be running in the background. This is an essential step because having any Fortinet program open can interfere with the uninstallation process. Once you've ensured that everything is closed, you'll want to open the control panel if you're on a Windows machine. For Mac users, navigate to the Applications folder. In the control panel, you'll find an option called Programs and Features. Click on that, and there you should see a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Browse through until you find FortiClient or any other Fortinet program that you wish to remove. Once you've located the Fortinet program, select it and then click on the Uninstall button. This will initiate the uninstall process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully as they will guide you through the steps necessary to complete the uninstallation. If prompted, make sure to enter your administrator password. This step is crucial as it ensures that the uninstall is authorized and that no unauthorized changes are made to your system. Now, if you encounter a situation where the uninstall option is blocked or requires a password that you do not have, this could mean that the software is managed by your organization. In such cases, it's best to reach out to your IT administrator for assistance. They should be able to provide you with the necessary permissions or guide you through the process. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you successfully uninstall Fortinet from your computer. If you encounter any issues during the process, remember that reaching out for professional assistance is always a good idea. It's important to ensure that all steps are followed properly to prevent any potential issues with future installations or operations of other software. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the uninstallation process. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.